Flask middleware on Abort 401 causing a 500. I have a middleware in my Flask app that is used to authenticate a JSON web token coming in the header of the request and is checking to verify it. Below is my middleware class. Verify_token is a function that will return true or false, and if it returns false, I want it to abort with an error 401. However, it aborts with an error 500. In my views, I abort a 401 like it should, but here it seems to be a problem. What should I do?
The middleware you've shown runs some other code and then calls the wrapped Flask application. However, Abort raises exceptions that Flask handles, but aren't handled by WSGI directly. Since you're not in the Flask application yet, it can't handle the exception. A much easier way would be to do this check inside the Flask app. Create a before_request handler that does basically the same thing as the middleware, except you can use flask.request rather than needing to parse the path and headers yourself. If you do want to use WSGI middleware for this, you need to create the response yourself. Conveniently, Vertsoix exceptions behave like WSGI applications, so it's straightforward to use them. You can also use Abort still by catching the exceptions it raises, which, again, are WSGI applications.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.